Hello, my name is Emily. I'm a nursing student here at Ivy Tech. I chose Ivy Tech for my nursing education just because my mom graduated here and it inspired me to be a nurse. And then also I just love that it's like such a small community and you really get like experience talking to your teachers and forming those like really good bonds with your classmates because it is so small.
So far my experience as a nursing student has been really good. I've been opened up to a lot of new opportunities and experiences. Just this past week at clinicals, we got to check off on some new skills like placing IVs on people, so a lot of new fun experiences. It's very challenging, but at the same time it's very rewarding and you get to meet a lot of nice instructors and a lot of nice patients.
Faculty and staff have been very good to me. I like how Casey keeps emailing you just to check on you, and they've all been very friendly and helpful.
My experience has, first of all, it's been very positive overall. I feel like the professors want us to succeed, not just in the classroom, but in life. I feel like that my professors and my advisors, they take that time as much as they can, of course, to provide that individual connection to make sure that their students have the tools they need to be successful. Some of my favorite experiences, of course, have been in clinical. I've gotten to observe surgeries and procedures and things that were completely and utterly foreign to me, so that's truly been a tremendous skill building. I also love our simulation lab because it's high education but low stakes. So you can learn a lot and not be afraid that you're going to cause any harm, of course. SimMom especially, I'm not an OB by any means. So being able to learn from SimMom was a tremendous experience.
I think the most challenging part of the first semester for me was adapting. Obviously, I am an older student, and adapting to the culture of being back in college, was a bit of a transition, but it worked out, and I love it.
I think the most difficult part about being a first semester student was flipping your brain to think like a nurse in questions on exams rather than just memorizations such as the exams you would see in your prereqs like anatomy and physiology and chemistry. The nursing exams, you have to flip your brain into being at that situation and what you would do at that time. Most challenging part about the first year of nursing school has probably been just the adjustment to harder testing and class materials. So just learning how to study and not giving up when you get one bad test grade has probably been the most challenging thing, but now that I've learned how to enhance my study skills, it's become a lot easier. So Hanover College has a 1-2-1 program, and so what that means is our freshman year we started at Hanover and took all of our prereqs. This year and next year I'll be at Ivy Tech doing clinical rotations and finishing up some of my classes for my ASN. And then my senior year I'll go back to Hanover to finish classes for my BSN.
My future nursing plans after graduating nursing school and passing the NCLEX are to become an OB nurse and then an aesthetics nurse as well, and then further my education by getting my nurse practitioner license.
My future nursing plans are to work in an ER for a few years, and then I would love to be a hospice nurse as well.
I want to continue my education. I think, I'm not just trying to give an Ivy Tech plug, but I think eventually I want to teach here. I think it would be a challenge, but I think it would be immensely rewarding to be able to see students grow into nurses, and I think that's my goal.